Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 4 screws on the side of the base cover and remove the remaining 6 screws. Pry the cover off of the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.